I'm Dr. Sparks, and I am a storyteller. I've got this thing here. It's a typewriter, and I use it to lead a celebration of the creativity and storytelling of children. Here's how it works. In each episode, kids video chat in, and together, on the fly, we create a story together.
And then it turned into an orange tree.
Okay, the orange transforms the apple tree into an orange tree?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a word of the day, and each week we put out a prompt and animate one of the submissions that we get.
Once there was a fish, and he only survived in hot chocolate.
The stories are illustrated, also on the fly, by Cecilia Hillway, and the final stories and illustrations are mailed to the kids. So, book a one-off session or a weekly session. Visit drsparkshow.com for details.